Hi everybody. It's very nice and very happy to see you again in an online meeting. As usual, we have met before more than one time. Today, we are going to talk in our meeting about some ideas which we discussed in actual meeting in the lecture of a foreign language or commercial studies. Today, we will revise at the beginning some of topics which we have discussed before. Then we will move to another ideas or another topics related with foreign language or commercial studies. Let's begin with the revision. في البداية حابة أقول لحضراتكم أهلا بيكم، أسعد الله أوقاتكم بكل خير. سعيدة جدا لقائي معاكم للمرة تقريبا الخامسة أونلاين في دراسات تجارية أو لغة تجارية. خلينا نتكلم مع بعض كده عن بعض النقاط اللي احنا المفروض تناولناها خلال المرات الماضية، ونركز على أبرز النقاط، وبعدها إن شاء الله هنتناول جزئيات جديدة. في البداية حابة أبدأ مع حضراتكم with this topic. We will know what are the differences between abbreviations and acronyms. هنتعرف مع بعض على مجموعة من الاختلافات ما بين abbreviations، كلمة abbreviations اللي هي الاختصارات، and acronyms اللي هي المختصرات. كتير فينا فاكر إن كلمة اختصارات هي مختصرات، هو في ما بينهم فرق طفيف. خلينا مع بعض الأول نشوف الفيديو ده، بعد كده إن شاء الله هيكون لينا تعليق عليه. هسيبكم لدقايق وبعد كده هنرجع مع بعض مرة تانية.
IDK, I'm RLY not sure, ATM. With that English, I know I'm older, but to me that doesn't look like the language I grew up speaking. However, it is the language my daughter uses, so I'm trying to learn a language full of abbreviations, initialisms, and acronyms. IDK, I don't know. RLY, really? ATM, at the moment. Not the money spinner we old people know and love. There really could be a whole separate dictionary for the abundance of acronyms and abbreviations people use today, especially in text and on social media. But let's take a step back for a minute, because what the heck is the difference between an acronym and an abbreviation anyways? Most people think they're pretty similar, and they're definitely used in similar ways, but there are slight differences. I'm an expert now with all the research I've done just to try and decipher one of my daughter's text messages. Abbreviation is an umbrella term. So basically, all of these little shortened text-speak words we're using now are abbreviations, because they are essentially just shortened versions of a word or phrase. ROY is a great example. They just took out the buttons. Who needs them? But IDK and ATM are abbreviations and acronyms, because acronyms are types of abbreviations. Say that 10 times fast. Acronyms are usually in the form of initialism, which is when a phrase is represented by the first letter of each word that makes it up. So when do you call a word an acronym, and when do you call it an initialism? Acronyms usually be read as one word, like NATO or ASAP. Initialisms are usually pronounced by saying each letter of the acronym, like IDK and ATM, not ATOM. And although my daughter would like to think she's starting the abbreviation and acronym trend, using abbreviations has been something people have been doing the 1400s. And then it was a way to save time in communication, writing larger ideas down in smaller ways. Some things never change.
Okay. Let's concentrate on the topics he discussed. We have some differences between abbreviations and acronyms. If their differences are clear, most people think they are pretty similar. They are definitely used in similar ways, but there is slight differences. Let's talk about these differences. An abbreviation in any shortened or contract form of a word or phrase. Did you catch the word any in there? That means abbreviations is the blanket term for all those shortened words. So we have all been using on social media. For example, really, this is a great example. We just talked out vowel, who needs and now it's an abbreviation. خلينا نبدأ مع بعض بإيه هو الاختصار. الاختصار ببساطة هو إني باخد بعض الحروف من الكلمة وبعتمد عليها، زي اللي احنا بنستخدمه في السوشيال ميديا أو وسائل التواصل الاجتماعي. كلمة rally وهو ذكرها في الفيديو RLY. This is an abbreviation for rally اللي هي فعلا REALY، وده يعتبر حاجة احنا بنستخدمها في السوشيال ميديا. طب what about acronyms? Are types of abbreviations, especially an acronym is a specific type of abbreviation formed from the first letters. This may present multiple words, terms, name, phrases, and those little pronouns together, like the term OPEC. This is an abbreviation for Organizations of Petroleum Exporting Countries. This is an acronym because it's pronounced as one word, OPEC. OPEC. الاختصار بقى ده بينبع منه حاجة اسمها مختصر. إن أنا أقدم حروف أولى من بعض الكلمات أو الجمل واستخدمها ككلمة واحدة تنطق بلفظ واحد، زي OPEC، منظمة الأوبك. دي اللي هي المفروض اختصار لكلمة منظمة الدول المصدرة للبترول، أوبك. خدنا الحرف الأول intentional، الحرف الأول من كل كلمة، وعملنا بيها acronym اللي هو أوبك. Let's revise marketing. We have talked some terms related with marketing last lecture. Let's revise them quickly. We talk universally, vital, to concentrate, analyze, strategy, to aim, target, to appeal, segment, to promote, representative, commercial, campaign, effort, and possession. Today, we are going to revise these words. You can use them in blanks to complete sentences. I will give you some words or terms as we talked last lecture, and you will use them in blanks at sentences. الكلمات اللي خدناها المرة اللي فاتت متضمنة الناحية التسويقية أو الماركتينج، التسويق. هنبدأ نوظف الترمز دي، المصطلحات دي، في جمل. الجمل بتاعتنا دي المفروض إنها ينقصها بعض الكلمات اللي المفروض إن إحنا هنبدأ يعني نحط ليها حلول. Let's begin. Certain space of population watch more television than others. Here we can use the word segment. Certain segment of population watch more television than the others. Here we can use the word segment. Okay? Segment. The word segment. You can write the word. If you are asked to write, you should complete from the selected ones. Number 2. A space will be launched to promote the new and improved product. Campaign. Here we will use the word campaign. A campaign will be launched to promote the new and improved product. Number 3, we need to space and stay focused if we want to finish this report on time. Here we will use the word concentrate. We need to concentrate and stay focused if we want to finish this report on time. With our expand capacity, we are well spaced to become leader to our friends. Positioned, this is number 4. With our expand capacity, we are well positioned. Number 5, we are space the campaign space teams. Number 5, aiming, and then we will use the word at. We are again aiming the campaign at teens who buy the most snacks food. Number 6, we need to develop a space strategy. We need to develop a strategy to market our services. Studies show that humorous commercial space more to younger audience than older ones. Appeal. Number 8, telemarketing companies, individuals who have purchased similar products to what they are trying to sell. Number 8, target. Telemarketing companies target individual. Number 9, are designed to deliver a message in very short time period. Commercials. Number 10. After careful space of color trend, a domestic company decided blue was not popular shade for lipsticks. Here we use the word analysis. This is number 10. Number 11, let's focus on identifying the potential markets from our product. Number 11, efforts. Number 12, people are more to advertisements that they can identify with. Number 12, responsive. Number 13, credit cards have become so popular that they are accepted universally. Number 14, if you want to ensure a good turnout at the event, you must promote at every chance you get. Number 15, a coordinated team effort is space to our project success. Vital. Let's read the words again or the terms I use in marketing in the exercise to fill the spaces. Segment, campaign, concentrate, positioned, aiming the campaign at, strategy, appeal, target, commercial, analysis, efforts, representative, universally, promote, and vital. Let's get started. Today we are going to concentrate on some abbreviations or some words related with commercial using English. ATM, this is an American word. آلاف البنك بيسحب منها العملاء أموالهم باستخدام بضاعة معينة. We use the word bank account. This is an abbreviation for account, حساب في بنك. Open a bank account. يفتح حساب في بنك. Bank card. بطاقة بنكية. Bank statement. تقرير بنك عن حساب عميل. Borrow. يقترض. He had to borrow $1,000 to pay for the car. Cash point. This is used with the ATM place. In the other side, we have the word cash card. This is a British word. ATM card. This is an American word. Check and check. This is a British and American reading for check. Checkbook and checkbook. دفتر شيكات. He gave me a check for 3,000 pounds. Pay check. Can I pay check? Credit card. دي بطاقة أنا بستخدمها عشان أدفع بسيولة. We expect all major credit cards. Credit card fraud. Credit card limit. هنا أنا بستخدم الفراد بأمان عشان أضمن إن مفيش سرقة للبطاقات. Credit card limit حد أقصى مسموح بيه. Debt card بطاقة بلاستيكية بشتري بيها بضايع أو بحساب بنك مباشر. debt ديون. The company had debt of around $100 million. Then we have be in financial difficulties. His business is in financial problem. مشكلات مالية. Get or go in debts. Into debts. يقع في ديون. Get money out. يسحب من الرصيد. Good with money. كويس جدا في العمل بالأموال أو بيدبر أموال بشكل جيد. Not very good with money. حد غير مدبر للأموال. Lend. بيعير المال. The bank has already lent the company $50 million. Can you lend me £5 till tomorrow? Overdraft. This is a British word. المال الذي تدين به للبنك لأن حد السحب بتاع حضرتك تجاوز الرصيد المسموح به. I have $300 overdraft. أخدت حاجة overdrafted اللي هي فوق الرصيد وتعد هي كمان دين بعد كده. overdraft limit الحد الأقصى المسحوب بيه ولو خدت فوق منه بيبقى كده سحب فوق الرصيد. Go over your draft limit. Overdrawn. I'm overdrawn. أنا سحبت فوق رصيدي. I'm $300 overdrawn. أو this is يدين. Here we can use an example. Given owes his mother $30. Pay off. يرد دين كامل. I've almost paid off all my debts. أنا رديت كل ديوني كاملة. Withdraw. هنا يسحب من رصيده. You can withdraw up to $100 a day. Withdraw, we give an example about it. Amount, كمية من الأموال أو المال. The amount of tax you pay depends on how much you earn. A small or a teeny amount. This is قدر ضئيل. How much? I can use how much with money, with time, with food. How much did your jeans cost? How much money do I owe? Sum, مبلغ من المال. It cost over $25,000, which was an enormous sum in these days. She left a small sum of money to her 2 granddaughters. Volume, معدل. After 1920, there was a rapid fall in the volume of trade. بعد 1920 كان في عندنا انخفاض سريع في معدل التجارة. Percentage, this is نسبة مئوية. There is a slide full of percentage of a bank profit. Rate, معدل. Fraction, نسبة ضئيلة. The inflation affects only a tiny fraction of population. Take care. Warning. The word sum is more formal than the word amount. I can use how much with fish. These are the uncountable nouns. And these words, uncountable nouns, I can add S with a ruler like money, time, food, sugar. A big amount, don't say a big amount. You can say a large or a numerous or considerable amount. Let's have the contents of business letters. We have parts of business letters beginning with letterhead, date letter, inside letter, or inside address, solution, like dear sir, dear madam, gentlemen, gentlemen and ladies. Body, complimentary, yours truly, truly yours, sincerely, respectfully yours. Company signature, signature, identification, reference, intention, and incluser. Finally, we can add annotation. في عندنا أجزاء أو مكونات للخطابات الخاصة بالنواحي التجارية بتتكون من letterhead رأس الخطاب، date letter تاريخ الخطاب، inside address العنوان الداخلي، solution تحية زي dear sir, dear madam, gentlemen and ladies. body جسم الخطاب، complimentary clause طريقة رسمية في إنهاء الخطاب قبل التوقيع زي yours truly, truly yours, sincerely, respectfully yours. وأخيرا في عندنا الكمباني signature توقيع الشركة، signature identification توقيع المسؤول، reference intention الحروف الأولى من اسم الموقع باعتباره المسؤول، inclusers مجموعة من القوائم المرفقة، and finally we make a carbon CC. This is a carbon. I can send the email or the letter to more than one person. In front of you there is a sample of a letter. قدام حضراتكم نموذج لخطاب بتحدد فيه البيانات زي ما احنا ذكرناها بالترتيب تفاصيلها. ده يعتبر نموذج لخطاب بادئ من اول العنوان وخلافه. في عندنا نموذج تاني لخطاب، ده نموذج تاني نقدر نعتمد عليه. Today we are going to talk about accounting. Here we will begin with words used in accounting like to reconcile, to bring into agreement، يتفق أو يتوصل لاتفاق. Ledger, this is السجلات التجارية التي تحتوي على صفقات. An account book containing all business transactions. Physical, this is pertaining to financial matters، مالي أو ضريبي. To break even، يضبط الميزانية. To have income exactly equal to costs، هنا أنا ما بقاش عندي لا خسارة ولا ربح لكن أنا ضابطة الميزانية. This is to break even. To estimate، to make an approximate calculation، بقدر أو بعمل مقياس أقدر أقيس من خلاله. Figures, this is amount or values expressed in numbers، الأرقام بتقاس بكميات. On average، متوسط أو وسط حسابي. A given number of units divided by total number of units. Spreadsheet، ورقة عمل أو كشف حساب. Budget، ميزانية. A plan of expected income and expenses. Approximately، بالتقريب. Nearly exact، more or less. To close out، this is to dispose of finally and completely، يغلق غلقا نهائيا. Head or leader، قائد أو رئيس. Consecutive، this is following one another in uninterrupted order، حاجة متتابعة. Defect، the amount by which a sum falls short of required amount، ده عجز في ميزانية. To round off، to drop the change and make a figure an even amount، بيصرف ورقة نقدية بدلا من العمولات. Let's have the conversation between Rami and Amjad. I will read the content and you will practice with a colleague or your brother, your sister, to make the situation good. In going over the ledger, it appears we have a defect. This is impossible. We haven't overspent. Let me know when you reconcile the accounts. Oh, I see what happened. I made a mistake when I rounded off the numbers. محادثة دايرة حوالين مراجعة دفاتر ظهرت عجز في الميزانية. طبعا أمجد قال ده مستحيل لأن احنا ما كانش عندنا زيادة في الإنفاق، فخلينا نراجع الحسابات. لما قال كده بدأت الحكاية تظهر، فقال رامي إنه عنده خطأ لما جمع الأرقام. Conversation number 2. Listen carefully and try to play rules as I advise you each time with your colleague or your family member. Let's read conversation 2. Listen carefully. The accounting department announced that the company will finally break even this year. After 3 consecutive years of losses, that'd be a welcome change if sales continue to raise, as they have been. The estimate that even the year revenue will double. Let's just hope the economy stays strong and people keep spending. هنا اتكلم عن قسم الحسابات عامل مراجعة كده على السنة المالية، فهيشوف عنده ربح أو خسارة. فقالوا إن مفيش تغيير لمدة 3 سنين بعد 3 سنين من الخسارة. قال لو استمرت المبيعات كده هيبقى عندنا دخل مضاعف، بس إذا كان الاقتصاد كما هو وما كانش فيه انفاقات زيادة. By this, I have finished our meeting today. Good luck and do your best. See you next meeting. Goodbye.